How to cook chicken pakodi or chicken pakora. Ingredients: chicken ½ kilo, chicken masala, dhania powder, garlic, green chilli pieces, curry leaves, jeera powder, oil, red chilli powder, red color food color, salt, senega flour, tasty salt. Now we are ready to cook. You take an oil, add tasty salt 1 teaspoon, add salt 1 tablespoon, add 2 tablespoons of senega flour or ground flour, add tea tablespoon of rice flour, add tea tablespoon of chicken masala, add tea tablespoon of red chilli powder, add tea tablespoon of jeera powder, add 2 tablespoons of dhania powder, add green chilli pieces and curry leaves, garlic also, add red color, add all spices and mix it well. Now we fry them which was mixed. Now we add green chilli pieces again, curry leaves also add at the end of the position. Fry braised chicken until turns golden brown. This will look very beautiful. To take them into a plate, pakora pieces, chicken pakora pieces, then garlic with lemon and onions. Chicken pakora is ready to serve. It's very look beautiful. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.